Hey, what's up? It's the Playback Boys, and today we are reviewing Kiv's favorite member, V.
And we're doing
I like these.
not one, not two,
Not two.
but 3 of V. Ooh, that rhymed. That rhymed.
Trifecta for V.
Was that an accident? Was it on purpose? I don't know. Maybe I prepared that. Who
Jeez.
knows? Let's go. Oh!
Hey!
What are our names?
I'm Josh Kim.
I'm Josh.
Kev
Double G.
and Caleb. And this is V Slow Dancing.
Ooh, come slow dance on me, shawty.
3 V's make a big W.
Whoa.
Damn.
Jellyfish?
Jellyfish?
Can't
I'm
fuck
not
with
trying
the
to be that
jellyfish.
Where's V? Damn.
Oh,
Nice.
that's beautiful.
But he's always got the slow jam.
This is that drop top time vibe.
Why is he flowers? What the hell? Yeah, this is a really good song. Damn, that's good.
What the hell is going on?
Why is there watermelon? Why is there a banana?
Fruits in the sea?
Stop it.
Hey.
Wow, damn.
Wow.
Like LED
AI
lights.
snail.
Damn.
That water's beautiful.
Damn.
Jeez.
I got stars on his face.
He know he fine.
You're
Yeah.
fine. Oh.
You're fine.
What did you look at?
You're
man? You're more than fine. Hey.
You know what vibes this give me?
What?
Like champagne vibes.
You're champagne.
Alright. You're going crazy.
Just vibes. Aurora. Northern Lights.
Shit, that's a heart. No instruments as well.
What, Chrome brand? What the hell?
That's a dog.
His dog's a cute dog. That dog's more famous than us, bro. Oh yeah, it's on his album.
Big up the dog, bro.
It's his album cover. Wow, wow,
That was so nice.
That was just like a like a nice road trip with the friends kind of vibe song. Yeah, yeah. Highway. Yeah, yeah. Drop top with the windows down. Who wants to slow dance with me until the morning? Ooh.
Jeez.
Yeah, I love it. I love it. Nice visuals too. Yeah, the visuals were nice. There was some like that was pretty funny, like the banana in the water. I picked it up and started eating. I was like, damn, bro. Yeah, that's must be some clean water. I know, bro. Shade of
Bananas and shit.
Yeah, I feel like the video kind of just gave the vibe of what it was. For
Yeah,
the,
like
very
very hipster, hippie vibes.
Yeah.
Just chill.
slow dancing.
Yeah.
It was nice.
Wow. Anyways,
Rainy
next
days.
is Rainy Days. Oh, this is a really good song. Oh, you know this?
I really like this.
You know this?
Yeah.
Of course you know this.
Yeah, he knows this
Yeah.
one.
Bigger fan of V than you, eh?
Oh.
Play that shit, play that
Shots
shit.
fired. But.
This is really good. Damn.
80 punch.
OG vinyl sound is crazy.
Crush makes music like this.
Oh yeah. Garage band. That's a nice room. Like a little kid. Oh, V. Oh, hey. That dog is more famous than us, bro.
Hey, who's filming it, mate? The dog's filming it.
That's a lot of sugar, man.
Dog's a paid actor, bro.
Like, bro, you want some coffee with that sugar?
Hey.
It's more like apartment setup. Like that place is actually
Apartment's crazy.
Live.
I wouldn't mind living in one of these.
it's hard.
Ooh, can I live with you?
Yeah.
What a cute smile.
Remember how I used to make you laugh the most. 내가 일어날 자격 없어도 let me make up for all the time we lost.
I was talking about someone.
Getting broken, all the lost. Don't tell me it's over. We can start it over. None night late clover.
Okay.
I can feel your touch. I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I guess you're rainy days. I'm thinking about you. What to say? We should know how to find a way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say? We should know how to
Perfect symmetry of
find a way
For real,
right back to you.
Measurements.
On rainy days like.
Bro, it's in the name, bro. It's in the name. Rainy day. Perfect song to actually play on a rainy day.
While
Yeah,
you're,
for real, for real.
while you're missing your ex, that's what it is.
Oh.
He's talking about how he wants to go back to the days when he was with that significant other, and he's just reminiscing.
It was kind of like a switch up though. Like he talked about that in the second half of the song. The first half.
But the architecture of that apartment,
Crazy.
That
I
was
like the
crazy.
coloring of the visuals.
yeah.
Yeah.
The apartment was like a circle, bro.
Yeah.
You're so cool.
So V is more of like the slow jam guy.
Yeah.
He's Mr. Smooth Dude.
Ooh,
Bro, you should listen to a song, man.
Mr. Smooth Criminal.
Okay, love me. What is it?
Love me again.
That's
Oh man, I can already tell this.
Love
one.
me again. Damn, this man
Please.
is heartbroken.
I can already tell it's gonna hit my feelings.
Nah, bro, he's just good at that.
Yeah.
I know the video's gonna go crazy on this one.
Love me again.
3, 2, 1.
The cool ass microphone.
Where's the earrings, man?
You rap, man.
It's a wrap.
Took those memories with you. Damn, go. That turtleneck.
in the cave. Is that a cave? This is full karaoke.
It is full karaoke.
Okay, red, switch off.
Look at this set, bro.
He's in the cave.
Hibernation.
I love that old school TV beside them.
Oh, I like that. Bro, I haven't seen that in a long time. Love me again. Wowzers.
Man, you made us join karaoke with him, bro.
That's the VFX.
Nice. Love
That's
that.
the VFX, man.
Snap.
I love you again, V. I'll always love you.
Baby,
V.
come back.
Baby, come back.
Baby.
I like his sets.
Yeah.
I mean, it's very like just simplistic,
Yeah.
but it's artistic, and you can just see what's going on, brother.
Yeah.
Like you said, the TV. Man, I haven't seen that green volume.
Yeah, I know, bro.
Like
In a
effect
minute, bro.
in ages,
Yeah,
bro.
bro.
Oh my god, this guy took me back, bro.
Since the Square TV,
TV,
bro.
This guy
On a
used
that
KG,
one.
bro.
But that's what it is, right? With this song, it's like "Love Me Again," meaning like he's thinking about reminiscing about the old times. So it's like the tie-in with the VHS and like the whole like the old TV to give the audience that feel that we're going back in time and
You
kind
tell
of
him,
like
man. You tell him.
yeah, trying to get
Hey,
trying
talk
to
to him. Talk your shit.
trying to grab that nostalgic emotion.
Yeah, dude.
Does it grab yours?
It does definitely.
Yeah.
Yes.
This guy is talking about, you know, he from the way that I can see that his music is put, it's like he's always the one getting left from the person that he loves, and it's like he's always missing them and he wants it back, you know.
Yeah.
He wants that old thing back.
Yeah.
He wants to love again.
Yeah. It is hard, bro, when you're at that level. You know what I mean? To
Yeah.
fall in love and
Oh,
like be in a
for real.
relationship.
Yeah.
Because you can't just trust anyone else.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Not everyone's there for the right intentions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think just in general nowadays it's kind of like it's different. The relationship environment atmosphere is a little different nowadays, and it's hard to really fall in love like
Feels
that.
less
Yeah.
genuine, bro.
Especially when you
Yeah.
have so many options. Especially at this guy level, like they're not leaving him obviously because of his looks. Let's get real, yeah. You know what I mean? They're not leaving him because of his look. They're probably leaving him because like they can't handle.
many girls.
Yeah.
Choose this girl on
So much to do with
They
it.
can't handle the fame.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's got.
I really like that last one. This one.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. Me
Lovely
too. Me too. I like that.
It was a different type of emotion.
Me
Yeah.
three.
Yeah, but out of the three, that one was really nice. Like
Yeah.
I'd add this to my playlist.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can
That's
relate.
nice.
I can relate.
I like slow dancing because it kind of gave like a happy with the friends vibe.
Yeah.
And then the second one, rainy day, was like on a rainy day, bro. Like it's in the name. And love me again is like one of those one where I might shed a tear.
Yeah, quick
Maybe
little.
two. Reminiscing about the good times. No.
You want to get in your feels real quick.
Yeah, yeah,
love me
yeah,
again.
yeah, yeah.
Hey,
I
whoever
like
left
that.
Kev?
Yeah.
Hey,
Hey,
maybe
watch
they didn't leave me. Maybe I left them.
It's okay.
Put some respect on me, man.
What he's saying is, love me again. Love me again. Love him again. Please give him another chance.
Yeah. So if you're also looking for love, Kev is right here.
Oh,
You want that love again? So
his Instagram will be down below.
Yeah, her Instagram down below.
Hit him up,
if you
hit him
wanna
up, you know what I'm saying?
Hit me
get a
up.
little love.
DMs is open.
Sydney, Australia.
He got left to
Postcode.
prove.
Postcode.
His number will be there as well.
2766.
Oh,
Hey.
Come on, man. You can find me. Go Western Howard.
That's a bit crazy, bro. Too much. They might actually rock up though.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, you gotta watch out, bro.
Kev, drop the number.
I was like, oh, just joking, man.
Anyway, that was the Playback Boys reviewing V. And Love Me Again was my favorite out of that. Slow Dancing, Rainy Days, all back to back to back.
Yes,
BBB.
Siskies. Out.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Turn
Look
them
down
post
there.
notifications on, guys.
Ding, 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 ding.